Welcome back, everybody. I'm Mark Anthony, and today we're looking at the electronic spin scrubber. This was sent to me for my review. All right, so it's a electric scrubber, obviously, with 2, 4, 6, with 8 different heads on it. So let me see what we get inside here. Operating manual, some kind of a bag. I'm figuring that's for the supplies. One head. Let's see here. Handle. That. Here's another head. Another head. These are the pads. I like that it comes in a holding case here. Another pad. Boy, a lot of things here. I like it. Okay. There's that. This is the head. This is where your battery would go. It does not come with a battery. All right, so let me put this together. I guess this is where you do the instruction part. Okay. There we go, okay. There's a plug in there, and there's a plug in there. Ooh, it can only go in one way, folks. Tighten it down. I'm going to take it to this. Again, this plugs in. Can only go in one direction. There we go. That tightens it down back there. Okay, that button there gives you the extension. Oh, I like that. That's cool. Okay, all right. And then this. Okay. And these go in one direction. There we go. Okay. There we go. All right. Okay. Oh, let's see here. Push that button. Okay. Ooh, okay, got it. There's a button on both sides here. Okay, all right. Okay, so here it is. I attached my Dewalt battery to it. This is for my power drill. So if you have any Dewalt battery power tools, I'm pretty sure most of them will work on there. Just go ahead and check the website. Okay. Here's how you turn it on. Hold that for 3 seconds. There it is. Low, medium, maximum. Okay. Everything is adjustable. Everything comes apart. You know, you unscrew that. Here's your handle. Again, completely adjustable depending upon how you want it. The length of it. Okay. This here can be adjusted, and then also which way you want, or how you want the head to fit. Okay. So let me show you how this thing looks when it's operating. Okay, I already put down some cleaning solutions. Push the button for 3 seconds. And look medium. path. It's all right there. With the battery you probably already have if you have any Dewalt power tools. Okay, there it is. Here, let me turn that up. There it is. All right. Go ahead and take a look at it.